In the world of luxury automobiles, every year brings new innovation, new design, and new power. And 2026 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting years yet. Today, we're exploring the future of driving, diving into some stunning machines from sedans to SUVs built to redefine comfort, technology, and performance. This is the future of luxury on four wheels. First up, we have the Mercedes-Benz E-Class, a car where true luxury meets cutting-edge innovation. For 2026, Mercedes has completely reimagined this iconic sedan. Under the hood, you'll find fully updated hybrid and electric powertrains delivering smooth, efficient power. But it's the interior where the E-Class truly shines. Step inside, and you're greeted by a high-tech sanctuary. A massive touchscreen dominates the digital cockpit, surrounded by premium materials and atmosphere. The new BMW X system uses artificial intelligence to make every journey effortless, adapting to your habits and preferences. Starting at $65,000, the 2026 E-Class stands as one of the most advanced sedans on the market, combining comfort, intelligence. Next, for families, travelers, and daily commuters, the 2026 Honda CR-V remains the undisputed everyday champion. It's a trusted favorite for a reason. The standard 1.5-liter turbo engine delivers a capable 190 horsepower, but the hybrid variant is where it really excels. It boosts performance to 204 horsepower while achieving exceptional fuel economy up to an incredible 43 miles per gallon in the city. Inside, the CR-V is all about practicality and space. With the rear seats down, you get over 76 cubic feet of cargo space, which is massive for its class. It's also packed with tech, including wireless charging, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and the full Honda sensing suite of safety features. With a starting price around $30,000, the CR-V continues to be one of the smartest and most practical choices for any buyer. Now, let's talk about the compact luxury warrior, the 2026 BMW X1. It might be BMW's smallest SUV, but it's only small in size, never in presence. The X1 packs a serious punch with its turbocharged 2.0-liter engine, producing a lively 241 horsepower. That power is sent through a smooth, quick-shifting 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, making it incredibly fun to drive. The interior feels just as impressive. You get a stunning curved digital display running BMW's latest iDrive 9 system, which is both beautiful and intuitive. The materials are premium, the cabin feels surprisingly roomy for its size, and the technology is absolutely cutting edge. With pricing that starts around $41,000, the X1 is fiercely battling rivals like the Audi Q3 and Mercedes GLA, and, in many cases, it's coming out on top. And finally, we have something truly special. A legend may be returning. We're talking about the Toyota Cressida, or as it might be called, the Cressa. Rumors are swirling about a 2026 revival, and it's expected to position itself perfectly between the ever-popular Camry and the luxurious Lexus ES. Offering premium design without the luxury price tag, expect bold styling inspired by the stunning Toyota Crown, featuring a large, aggressive grille, elegant LED lights, a panoramic sunroof, and possibly even 20-inch alloy wheels. The inside is rumored to be a luxurious cabin with leather seats, real wood accents, ambient lighting, and a massive 12 to 14-inch touchscreen powered by Toyota's latest tech. Powertrain options could include a 2.5-liter hybrid, a powerful 2.4-liter turbo hybrid making 340 horsepower, and maybe even a plug-in hybrid. If it starts around $40,000, the Cressa could be the most exciting Toyota sedan we've seen in decades. These are the cars shaping our automotive future, world where design meets innovation, where performance meets sustainability, and where every single journey becomes a memorable experience. So, which car impressed you the most? Let us know your thoughts down in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more automotive stories from the future. Thanks for watching.